Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you something very exciting and unique that I came across recently. It's called Biriyani ATM and it's the first of its kind in India and the world. Now, if you are a foodie like me, you must be familiar with biryani. It's a mouth-watering dish made of fragrant rice, succulent meat, aromatic spices, and herbs. It's a dish that has a rich history and culture behind it and is loved by millions of people across India and beyond. But what if I tell you that you don't have to go to a restaurant or a street vendor to enjoy biryani? What if I tell you that you can get piping hot and fresh biryani from a machine in minutes? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, believe it or not, that's exactly what a startup from Chennai has done. They have created a Biriyani ATM, which is an automated biryani takeaway outlet that lets customers order and collect biryani without any human interaction. The startup is called by Vita Kalyanam or BVK Biryani and they have installed their first Biriyani ATM in Kolathur area of Chennai. The founder of BVK Biryani, Mr. Suresh Kumar, says that he was inspired by the huge demand and love for biryani in India and wanted to offer a fast, hygienic and convenient way of serving it to customers. So, how does the Biriyani ATM work? Well, it's very simple and user-friendly. The outlet has 32-inch screens where customers can browse the menu and select their preferred biryani. They have different options such as chicken, mutton, prawn, egg and veg biryani. They can also choose side dishes like raita, salad and gravy to go with their biryani. Once they have selected their order, they can pay by scanning QR codes or using cards. After the payment is done, they will receive a PIN on their mobile phones. They can then enter the PIN on the machine and collect their biryani from a designated slot. The whole process takes less than 2 minutes and the customers can enjoy their hot and delicious biryani anytime they want. The machine has a capacity of storing 2,000 packets of biryani at a time and it keeps them at optimal temperature and freshness. The machine also has sensors that alert the staff when the stock is low or when there is any technical issue. The prices of the biryani are very reasonable and affordable. They range from 99 rupees to 199 rupees per packet depending on the variety. The customers can also get discounts and offers by using coupons or loyalty points. The Biriyani ATM is a revolutionary concept that has received a lot of positive feedback and appreciation from customers and media alike. It has been featured in many news channels and websites as India's first and world's first automated biryani takeaway outlet. The founder of BVK Biryani says that he plans to open 12 more unmanned outlets in Chennai and other cities soon. He also says that he hopes to expand his business globally and make Biriyani ATM a household name. So guys, what do you think of this amazing idea? Would you like to try out the Biriyani ATM? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.